Alright, so we got the area cleaned up. We're about to move the Lambo on this side. We got our station to work on. So he about to give y'all a cold start up. Alright, Sid. That's what I'm talking. That thing, even he got a smile. It just brings. On the Lamborghini. We already washed it, cleaned it up. So now we go around the car before we take it apart. We go around where we're gonna take it apart at, and we look for imperfections. So like some things that we notice is there's paint protection film. I don't know if you can see the line. Yeah, there's paint protection film. It's kind of a random shape, and that's fine. You're gonna see it under the wrap, but that's fine. There's also, if you can see, a little cut mark going down this body line. So we're thinking that whoever did the paint, yeah, you can see it there a little. Whoever did the paint protection film, they may have cut it on the car, and I don't know, it had to remove it for some reason. I don't know, it's like a little crease in the door, but that's not bad. We're gonna have to take this panel apart. And you can see there's like little pry marks already, so we think somebody already probably took both doors. It could have been wrapped before. This vent, we see a little zip tie right here holding it in. Same thing with this door. This door, I can see some pry marks. So we just keep video and we let the owners know just in case. We try not to do any type of damage, anything to these cars, so we just have it documented. So if they do say, you know, well, hey, your door got pry marks, well, you know, it wasn't caused by us. So it's just CYA, cover your butt, and we're gonna get it wrapped, get it taken apart, get it wrapped.
Gonna cost you. Hey, that gonna cost you, bro.
So y'all gonna meet Ronald. This is Ronald. Hey man, this dude is not camera shy. Don't let him lie to you for sure. Y'all know Ronald from Instagram, Black Biz, Black Card. Go follow him, or try to follow his page block, so he probably ain't gonna follow you back. But this is his Rolls Royce. RR gang. And see, I'm mad because, man, see, his seat, he done got the doors locked on me. That's messed up. His seats got the black stitching. My seats don't have that. My seats are white seats with white stitching. You can't see it. So it's small detail, but I want people, when they take pictures, you know, I want them to be able to see that in their pictures, especially for weddings and stuff. And then this the Aston. The owner just stopped by to go over it again with us now that we see it in the sunlight. And yeah, it's gonna be some work, a lot of work. This is gonna be hard. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is gonna be hard. And a lot of times I get myself in trouble because I'm like, yeah, I can do it. Yeah, just bring it by. Yeah, sure. You know, I figure it out. I'm an engineer, right? But as soon as they get here, I'm like, man, what did I get myself into? So I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. What do you think about the Lambo? What do you think about this? So taking it apart. Gonna be easy, hard, challenging?
I think it's gonna be challenging, but you just got to apply common sense to it. Some screws are inside the bumper, so you got to take these mesh grills off, and it's a tricky way to do that. So, but I found out how to do it.
And for those of y'all out there, don't tap on a Lambo with a Sharpie marker. Alright, cool. Nah, man.
You had that crack right there.
Huh?
You had that part crack right there.
Let me see.
I guess they found out too, but
it's cracked?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yep, I see.
So you got to press down and then cut it out a little hump.
And that's probably why they had the zip ties?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then because all the heat right here and it's plastic,
Yeah,
it's dry
brittle.
rot,
Yeah,
so it's brittle. So
brittle.
it's just inevitable.
All right. This is some of that behind the scenes stuff that people don't tell you about. Most people don't even show you. This guy, his camera shy guy, is messing up.
2017 Rolls-Royce Ghost. What I got to do right here, man? My son, he was playing in the back of the truck and in back of the car, and he made a mistake and knocked it loose. So I just reportioned it, make sure everything is good.
Yeah, that's what you did.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and fill it up at Toussaint Custom, which everybody don't know. My name is Ronald. Part ownership, part everything of Toussaint. Thank you.
That is not a true statement. Don't approve that message.
That's a negative.
That is not a true statement. I'm gonna get Facebook to fact check that one.
Part owner, part CEO, everything. Just come over here, just call me Mr. Toussaint.
Yeah, ignore that. Hopefully the microphone didn't even pick that up.
I ain't putting that extra crap on another vehicle. Another black.
So we got the, well, I just finished taking the panel off. It wasn't that bad. It's like 4 screws and then these little holes, they got the typical push clips. So now I'm getting the mirror out. So to do that, gotta take the speaker off. I unplugged it. I got 1 more screw. And then it's a triple square here, triple square on the other side. This thing pulls back and then this bracket, there's a hole in the window. This green bracket goes through the hole and then the screw goes through the hole. So the good thing is that once you take it off, you don't have to worry about it adjusting or misaligning or anything like that because of how it is. It sits at the bottom of this rack. So, and there's also, you can also relearn the glass if it forgets where it is, because we did have to unplug it. So for some reason, if it forgets where it is, I'll relearn the glass once it's closed. So take the glass out. I'm gonna also take this little, I'm not gonna take it off probably, I don't need it off. I'm just loosen it up so it'll wiggle. And then take this out, and this usually comes out pretty, well, one-handed ain't the best, but you can see like it just pushes up, it pulls out. So I'll pull it out, give me some more room, and then we'll see what we gotta do to get that mirror out. This is by far the hardest vehicle I've ever had to take apart. I think he'd agree that it's the hardest vehicle we've had to wrap also. But this thing is coming out great. It is gonna be a monster when it leaves. We're gonna add some accents to it. We were able to take these sides off, the panels off to get a full complete wrap. This is where the screws go, so we left that. But all in the seam, everything is tucked and out, so when we put this back, you won't see no black panel gaps or anything like that. It'll look like this. So you see the color in there even when this is closed, so it's not just black. So we're gonna go with a 2-tone design. So we're gonna do the black roof, black top, and we're gonna do some red accents along the front bumper and along the mirror. But most of it is done. This hood was kind of tricky, but we managed to get it. When I say we, I mean Josh. So the biggest thing is making sure all the corners are tucked and rounded. That's what makes a wrap. The corners make the wrap. The corners, it'll make or break a wrap for sure. And this car has a lot of sharp edges, a lot of corners. Those things, that's by far the hardest part in the car. The bumpers, I mean, there's a lot of screws, 60 screws per bumper, but it was straightforward. Even with the door panel, you did have to take the glass out, but like I say, just 2 screws. It was easy. But those wings, man, I don't want to do that again ever. So just know, if anybody else have a Aventador and they want us to wrap it, the price definitely just went up a little, but you will get a perfect result. You'll get a flawless result. And I'm gonna go back to this shot and show it, because like I said, we was able to wrap everything. The vent sits out here, so it covers this. Then the other vent goes on top, so you can't even see this. You can't even see that we went down in here. You'll never see that. today I was pretty much on teardown, so I didn't get a lot of footage for you guys as far as like the actual wrap process, because this teardown kicked me. So I had Josh mostly wrapping all the car. I was doing the teardown. As he get it wrapped, I was putting it back together because I don't want these parts to linger and stay overnight. So I wanted to put as much as I can back together, and that way tomorrow we throw the bumpers on and just finish it up, do the little pinstriping. I will still keep the car because I want it to see some sunlight. I want it to sit for like 2 days. That way, if anything is gonna happen with the wrap, we'll know. If a corner releases or if I see a bubble, we'll know and we can address it before the customer even gets it. That way, when he does get it, it's a flawless wrap. So, see y'all tomorrow. All right, I just made it to daycare, about to start my day. I got me feeling like I'm ready to work. Dropping Miles at daycare. Ooh. Let me go before I wake him up. So get him in the daycare and start my day. Meeting time.
Like, damn,
Meeting. Oh man, I gotta change these shoes. Oh my god. I'm try to get to a good place today, and now I'm go get me some shoes because these ain't gonna work. I keep tripping. Oh man, Monday, I'm tired, it's early. Alrighty, so we just finished having our meeting. We got everything hashed out. Like I said, a lot of times we do a production meeting in the mornings, and then any problems we have with the shop, we talk about them. Like I say, and eventually I'll probably include you guys in one of our meetings just to see how the overall shop experience is, how it works. I still got the Lambo to get done. I gotta put that back together, but we also have some other projects that are kind of important as well. So this morning, this Escalade, we gotta get the grill back on it. It's a custom grill, so I'll show y'all that. And we got a lot of collision jobs. Remember, the biggest thing we do is collision. So we got a lot of collision jobs, my guys. We had a production meeting to kind of schedule all the jobs and see like what takes priority, what doesn't take priority. And that way they know exactly what to work on. So the biggest thing about building a team is that team needs direction. They need something to hold them accountable. So if I'm at a job and it's a free fall, then it's hard for me to know exactly what to do, and that slows me down. But if you give a guy like, hey, look, I need you to do this, by the end of the day, just make sure you get it done, he can make sure he gets that done, and you can hold him accountable and he can hold himself accountable. That's gonna, make more money and make more productivity in the long run. So if you're not doing that, if you're not figuring out exactly what you need to do for a day, doing a checklist, doing a production meeting, you need to do that. That's going to increase business, that's going to increase revenue, sales immediately. So now we're about to get to it. So we got the area cleaned up. We're about to move the Lambo on this side. We got our station to work on. So he about to give y'all a cold start up. I said. That thing, even he got a smile. It just brings a smile to your face. I mean, it don't matter what type of mood you're in. When you hear that thing start, it's just a smile. So he's all set to come out of here. So you see the reverse button? You see the reverse button? It's a button. It's a reverse button. It's on the middle. Yeah. And then yeah. Alright, so we're gonna guide him out. Alright. Yeah, going back. Back some more. Back. Alright, straighten up completely. Yep. Alright, so keep it turned and go back. Keep it turned, go back. Yep. So y'all get a first glimpse. Of how this thing look in the sun. Oh, this is mean. This is way better than just the regular gloves black. It has some definition to it. It has a character now. The black is mean, don't get me wrong, but this color, it's just gonna be nice. Aventador pretty much all completely ready. Got the red accents on it, so it's looking good. But it's raining. It's raining bad. It's cold. It's raining. So I can't deliver it today. There's no way I deliver this car today. I need to take pictures. I need to get my videos. I need to get some sunlight. So I'm gonna talk to the owner. I mean, it's not like it's his only car. It's not a daily. I'm gonna see if he can bring or come get it tomorrow. I'm gonna check the weather and then go from there, because I want you guys to see this thing in the daytime. I'll see the pure beauty of it, see the wrap, see the details. So I'll keep you posted. So today is finally D-Day. I got a good sunny day. This is what I've been waiting on. Got my man Dre over here, the cameraman. Not really a cameraman, but he on the camera today. I got my GoPro in my hand, my phone. We getting all kind of footage, because this thing, oh my gosh, it is a monster. Man, this is crazy. Like, this is crazy. It's still kind of surreal. Like, we actually took apart, wrapped, and put it back together. You know? Look at this, man. This thing is, oh my gosh, it's me. It's me. What you think, Mr. Henry?
Bruh, dreams right here, man.
I know, right, man. I mean, that's a car, man. That is a car. I already started like planning out my 4-year plan. I gotta give me one. I gotta get one. 4 years. What is 2021? 2025. Toussaint will have an Aventador. Just mark my words. Mark my words. Maybe even sooner. So that's gonna conclude this episode. The customer said he's on his way, so we just finished vacuuming it and getting it cleaned up, getting the last little details touched up. So if you haven't, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on so you'll get notified when I post videos, and I appreciate y'all watching. Until next time.